For new lock VS-203, need to register with the user. Just press 2 hash. Now you can register as a finger. Now if you want to enter a password, now you can enter 6-digit password. Press hash and again. Now it's done. When you leave it a little bit time, then it will off. And for mobile, you just press 1 hash. The network is blinking. You just open your mobile application to a smart. See, just press add device. Turn on your Bluetooth. Press add button. The smart lock is coming. See, it's done. Now you can open with tapping the this one. See, and also from here you can generate fingerprint password. You can add from also from here the mobile. Press start capturing. Now it will connect it, and then approximately you need 5 times to scan your finger. See, it's done. So here you can enter your finger name, then done. The finger is added. Okay, and here from you can enter a management password. You can enter a permanent password. From here you can also generate the password, and also you can add temporary password, that is one-time password or periodic password. If you want to create one-time password, press one-time password, add. Here you can add 6-digit password, 11 22 3 4 5 6 or 7 digit. It's your choice. So this is the one-time password. When you press OK and save, expiration time also you can enter here after 1 minute. Okay, then press save. It will be added. You can check 11 22 3 4 5. See, it will work approximately 1 minute. After that it cannot be work. Okay, and from phone it is remotely open. Just by tapping this one. Okay, thank you.